We'll do this area of plane figure. One by one, we'll do this numerical based on this exercise 16 here. So, find the perimeter area of rectangle with dimensions. So, one by one, we will find the perimeter area of rectangle. Very easy. So, perimeter, what is the formula of perimeter? T into L plus B. That is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. And what is the formula of area of a rectangle? So area of rectangle formula is L into B. So 8 and
Yes, sir.
so the area would be 40 centimeters square and perimeter would be 8 plus 5, 13, 13 to 26 centimeter will be the perimeter. So 12 meter and 9 meter
9 meters.
area will be 108 meter
Meter.
and the perimeter would be 42 meter. 12 plus 9 into 3.5 and 2. So the area will be 7 meters square and the perimeter will be 11 meters.
And the perimeter and area of the square of each side
Square,
is
same.
4 into 3, so 12 is the perimeter.
So 12 is the perimeter, 12 centimeter is the perimeter, and 9
into 3, 9
is the
centimeter.
square. 25
25 meter.
5 square and 4 into 5 is 20 meter.
20 meter.
1.3. What would be the area if its side?
1.3 into 1.3. 1.69.
169. 13 square is 169. And the perimeter would be 5.2 meter. 4 into 1.3. 2.4. What is 2.4 square? 576. 5.76 meter square. Perimeter would be 9.6 meter. 24 4 is 90. Okay, Tony. So question number 3, tell me the answer.
The first one is 5.
5, one side is 5 and its perimeter would be?
So perimeter is 20.
20, very good. Second one.
So second one will be 12.
Its perimeter is?
So 12 into 4, 48.
Third one.
So 16.
16 centimeter units, very important. And
Okay.
perimeter?
16 into 4.
64. 64 centimeter. 961.
961.
Suppose you don't know, no? 961, suppose you don't know which number square is 961. Now the question coming in your mind, which number square is 961. So many ways are there to do this. One of the way, you know, the unit digit is 1. So if the unit
Division, it will be 31.
Yeah, so you can use division method or you can use shortcut method. You can write 961, make pair. So
3. 3, so 6 will go by 1. 61. And 1 it will go by 1. 61. So it's 31, sir.
30. Because this is 30. So this is
124.
This is 124 decimeter.
Decimeter, yes, sir.
1 decimeter is equal to how much centimeter? So 1 meter is to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Remember this, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter.
1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. 1 meter is 10 decimeter. And
so if remember when I was teaching you geometry, not geometry, density, physical units and measurement. The same thing we use there. You remember? So
yeah, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube.
So same thing when we study there, 1 meter cube is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube.
1,000 liters, 1 meter cube, 1,000 liter.
Where 1 liter is equal to 1,000. 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. So all that we learned there. So all this.
And 10 lakh centimeters, so 1 meter cube. Perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. So 9, yes, sir.
Area will be length into breadth. 9.
Length into breadth, 9 into 54, yes, sir.
All in centimeter. So area would be centimeter square. Length would be centimeter. This
So 420.
420 perimeter. Okay, what about the breadth?
420 is the perimeter.
Meter square is the area and the breadth is length is 30 meters. So what would be the breadth? Divide 450 by 30. 1 minute. So one breadth, how much you get, Dhoni?
15.
15 meter you will get breadth. So if you get
Yes,
15 meter, 450 divided by 30. So the 30 plus 45 is how much? 40, 45 to 90. 90 meter, then it would be the perimeter. Correct, na, Dhoni?
yes, sir. The perimeter of a rectangular field is perimeter is 3 by 5. If the length of the field is twice its breadth, length is 2b, b is equal to 2x. Find the area in square meter.
Should I do this, Dhoni?
Sir, is the answer 200 meters square?
No. You're close. I think you're doing some mistake with zeros.
Mm,
See this one. So perimeter is given 3 by 5 kilometer. They want us to find the answer in square meter. So I'll convert 3 by 5 kilometer into meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So if I convert this 200, so the perimeter is actually 600 meters. Correct, Nadine? So
yes, sir.
is actually 600 meters. So length is twice the width. So length is twice the width. So width is suppose B. So the length will be 2B. So what is the formula of perimeter? 2 into L plus B. That is given to you 600 meters. So L in place of L, you can write B. 2B plus B is 300 meters. So 3B is equal to 300. So B is equal to 100. If B is 100, the length would be 200. So what would be the area? Area would be length into breadth, right? 2 ones are 2 and then 2 4 zeros. 20,000 meters.
Oh, yes, sir.
7
Yes, sir.
Seventh one, Dhoni.
Oh, yes, sir. 1 second. I'm doing it.
You are all right, Dhoni. You're not tired.
No, sir.
Normally, you give answer very fast.
Yes, sir.
You're getting समझ में आया कि वो तो टेंशन फिजिक्स आप बहुत अच्छा करते
Sir, 4:1.
हो वेरी गुड 4:1 बहुत सिंपल है आप एक स्क्वायर ले लो उसका कोई भी साइड ले लो 1 1 उसका एरिया कितना हो जाएगा 1 स्क्वायर मतलब 1 उसका अगर मैं साइड डबल कर 2 कर दी उसका एरिया कितना हो जाएगा 2 स्क्वायर मतलब 4 उसका रेशियो क्या होगा कुछ भी ले डजंट मैटर मैंने 1 लिया 1 करोड़ भी लोगे यू आंसर विल नॉट गेट here you should know Dhoni 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square.
Okay, sir.
There's another unit of area which is called R. 1 R is equal to 100 meters square or 1 hectare is equal to 100 R. Now, Dhoni, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, how will you find the square of 89? फास्ट तरीका, मैं आपको एक इजी तरीका बताऊं 89 का स्क्वायर निकालने का, वैदिक मैथ्स। 89 का स्क्वायर, 89 का स्क्वायर होता है 792। इजी तरीका कैसे निकालना है, 89 को क्या मैं 100 माइनस 11 लिख सकता हूँ।
यस सर।
अब 11 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है ध्वनि, 11 का स्क्वायर 121।
121 सर।
सो आप 120 टू डिजिट लिखना, 121 का 21 लिखो और 1 कैरी ले लो।
ओके सर।
हमेशा 2 डिजिट लिखना, बाकी जो भी आए उसको कैरी लेना। अच्छा, अब 89 माइनस 11 क्या होगा, 78।
78।
78 उसमें 1 ऐड कर दो, 792। ये आपका आंसर। कोई भी नंबर आप ले लो, आप मुझसे पूछोगे सर 97 का स्क्वायर होता है 9409, कैसे आया सर। तो 97 को मैं 100 माइनस
3
3 का स्क्वायर
9
2 डिजिट 09,
09। ओके सर।
97 माइनस 3 94,
94। ओके सर।
1116 का स्क्वायर 100 प्लस 16,
100 प्लस
तो 16 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है धोनी, 256।
या
तो 256 में राइट 56 2 कैरी
यस सर।
प्लस 16 132 प्लस 2 कैरी 134।
ओके। ओके सर।
तो यहाँ पे आपने स्क्वायर का साइड दिया 89 मीटर, यू फाउंड इट एरिया
So 7921.
1, तो 7921 मीटर
So
स्क्वायर
sir, it will be 10,000 minus
माइनस,
7921.
वेरी गुड, 10,000 माइनस 7921 आप कर दो
2079.
207, वेरी गुड, 207, वेरी गुड। I got my back the same journey. This is what I want. 9 का कैसे करेंगे,
Sir, so 25. So it will be, sir, we can use Pythagoras theorem.
हाँ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करना चाहिए, हमेशा एक चीज याद रखो, तो स्क्वायर है, अब स्क्वायर
Yes, sir, diagonal will become triangle. So
ऐसा आप याद कर लो दोनों, स्क्वायर अगर ये ए है तो ये
be, yes, sir.
तो अगर वो 25 है तो उसका डायगोनल होगा
So Pythagoras theorem, so it will be
25।
625 plus 625, 1250 centimeter square.
नहीं
उसका root is 35 point
हाँ ठीक है,
something.
हाँ वो तो वो है ध्वनि, आप ऐसे याद कर लो ध्वनि, अगर ये ए है तो उसका डायगोनल √2a होगा।
Okay, sir.
अगर ये 25 है, ये 25 है, तो उसका डायगोनल जो होगा वो होगा 25 √2, है ना।
Okay, sir.
तो इसका वैल्यू निकालने बोला, 2 प्लेस ऑफ डेसिमल। एक चीज याद रखना, अगर 2 प्लेस ऑफ डेसिमल तक मुझे आंसर चाहिए तो मुझे 3 डेसिमल तक उसका वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा, ये पता है ना आपको।
Yes, sir.
और फिर तीसरे डेसिमल का वैल्यू देखूंगा, अगर वो 5 या 5 से बड़ा है तो मैं दूसरे डेसिमल के वैल्यू में +1 कर दूंगा, अदरवाइज आई कीप इट लाइक दैट। अच्छा दूसरा ठीक है, वेल एंड गुड सर। अब क्या, तो क्या है डायगोनल की वैल्यू क्या है सर, ये है 25, √2 की वैल्यू आप याद कर लो, दैट इज 1.414।
Okay, sir.
चलो हमको कैलकुलेट करने में टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, तो दिस इज 1.414। अब इसको क्या करना है, अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना, या तो नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लाई करते, या मैंने आपको याद बोला था कि जब भी 25 हो 25 को आप 100/4
100/4, ओके सर।
ये चीज आप मतलब ऐसे नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ प्रैक्टिस में यूज करना शुरू करते हैं तो अब इससे क्या हो जाएगा, मेरे को आ जाएगा 141.4/4।
यस सर।
अब मुझे ये आ गया तो मुझे आ गया ये 3 4 3
35.35।
10 21 35। ओके सो ये हो गया 14 मींस 14 मींस ये हो गया
5 सर, 35.35, यस सर।
so this is centimeter square और मतलब that will give me the answer. So we got this 10th one.
So 48 square centimeter.
Tell me the steps.
Yes sir. Sir, Pythagoras theorem.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be a square plus b square is equal to c square. So a square plus 6 square is equal to 100 square. So a square plus 36 is equal to 100. A square is equal to 100 minus 36, which is 64. So that we can, a will be 8. Then length, so a is 8, so length is 8. So area will be length into breadth, 8 into 6, 48.
Otherwise, you remember this Pythagoras triplet 10, 6, 8. You can remember this. And you know that in case of rectangle, you know that the sides are perpendicular to each other. So and diagonals are equal. So in case of rectangle, d square is equal to L square plus b square. And once we get the other side, we can get the area by multiplying length with respect to base.
Is it 512 centimeters square?
Correct. How you did?
Sir, so length is breadth is x and length is 2x.
Very good.
So then we can write root of 4x square plus x square is equal to root of 5x. So root of 5x is equal to 16 root 5. So then x will be 16.
Very good. So x is equal to 16. So you get 2x.
The root 5 and root. So 2x will be 32.
32. 32.
Area is length into breadth. 16
Multiply
into 32,
16
512.
How much you will get? 512.
512.
12 centimeters.
Yes.
So we need to understand that perimeter ratio will not change. So the
Yes, sir.
ratio is
2 is to 3.
3. The perimeter ratio will also be 2 is to 3. And area ratio, we'll find 4 is to 9. And we'll see there's no common factor. X square, X square will get cancelled. So area ratio will be 4 is to 9. Side ratio, perimeter ratio will remain the same.
Sir, 60.
Correct. How you did?
Sir, first area of hall, 30 into 12. And then area of carpet, which is 3 into 2, 6. So third number of carpets, 360 by 6.
360 by 360 meters square.
Meter square by 60.
You get 60.
Yes, sir. So 150.
150, 150, correct. How you get 150?
Sir, area of room is 20, so 7.5.
20 meters square.
But yes, sir, 20 meters square. So
and 1 meter square 7.5 rupees. So
yeah, so we just multiply 7.5 into
150.
Yeah. Sir, is it 3,000 rupees?
Very good. That's a good question. So they are talking about covering the floor.
Yes, sir. So you don't really need to take the last by 10 meters for now.
Yeah. We just need area of the floor.
Yes, sir.
Area of floor is 120.
So that'll be 120. And then brick is 20 centimeters. So I just converted that into meter.
So this we converted to meter. So the area of brick we got is 120
centimeter square. So in
now
meter
we know
it
that
will be 0.
1 meter square is equal to 10 to the power 4 centimeters square.
Yes, sir.
So if we divide the area of room by area of bricks, we'll get the number of bricks. Number of bricks we require 10,000.
10,000, yes, sir.
So if 1,000 brick cost is 300 rupees.
So 300 into 10,
Yeah.
10,000 by
brick is
1,000.
300 rupees. So 10,000 brick cost would be 3,000 rupees.
Yes, sir. So 49 meter.
49 you multiplied it. 12 sevens are 49. Very good.
So first we'll find area of the plot, which is 8800 meter square.
Very good.
And then the length of the.
So if I leave 5 meter everywhere, so if I leave 5 meter for boundary or something, leaving 5 meter all around.
So the length of area will be 110 minus 10, right?
So yeah, this is minus.
So 100, it'll be 100.
Yeah.
And
So
breadth
this
will
is,
be
yeah,
70,
this will be,
80 minus 10.
This is 100 minus 10. This is 70. So
Yes, sir. So 100 into 70,
7,000.
7,000 meter.
And the
square.
area which you laid with grass, that is 1,800 meters. Yeah, so this is what the area to deal with grass. Rods covered with grass. Okay, so you're covering with grass. So that would be 7,000. Covering with grass. Remaining part you leave it. That's what the remaining part you put in grass. Put grass in all the places. The remaining part you leave. So you're putting grass into area of 100 into 70.
So 7,825 rupees.
7, 8. No, book. The answer is something else.
Thirty x square is equal to 27000.
Is equal to 9. 9 3s are 27. 9.
So 900.
So
So x will be 30.
So length is equal to 630.
180.
And breadth would be
Breadth is equal to 150.
150. So there, यहाँ पे ध्वनि
Perimeter will be 660 meter.
perimeter 660 हो जाएगा I guess.
Yes, sir.
पेरीमीटर 660 मीटर हो गया और
Yes, sir. So cost will be 660 into
तो 1 मीटर
1.1.
का 5/4 रुपीज है, तो 660 का कॉस्ट कितना हो जाएगा? दैट विल बी
Yes, sir. 660 into 1.25, right?
5/4, 1.25 मतलब 5/4 जाएगा आपका। 6 ये हो गया 165, 5 this will be
1.
720,
Yes, sir.
725 या 8, 165,
7.
32, 825
825, sir. Rupees 825.
rupees 820.
So 400 meter. So perimeter will be,
So
breadth will
280,
be 80 meter.
that would be 80, let this
Area will be 80 into 120, 9600 square
9600
meter.
meters. What is the formula area of square, Dhwani? If I give you the diagonal value,
Sir, side into side.
side into side, so you will know that in term of diagonal, Dhwani, area formula half into d square. Remember, rhombus area formula is half into
Yes, sir. Yes.
d2. So square diagonals are equal. So if diagonal is 14, so area would be half into 14 square. That would be 98 meters square. That is its area. So if its area is 98, so what would be the side, Dhwani? If area is 98, side would be root 98.
Root 98.
So what would be perimeter? If perimeter would be 4 root 98.
Yes, sir.
They want the answer till 2 place of decimal. So we'll find the root 98 value. Root 98, root 98, 98. So 9 nines are 81. 9 plus, you know this. We just square root. So then 18 table, what it into? So 188, it's a 64, 6 carry 70, 1 5. 189 nines are 81, 8 carry 88, 1701. So getting bigger number. So 188 it's a, so this is what 64 70, 64 6 carry 64 70 7 carry 1504.
So 9s are.
Nines are 1701 actually. Are you getting me what I'm telling you? 99 square is 9801. So 9.9 square would be 98.01. We want 98 square root. So that's why it will go by 8. 188 8 are. So 1504, this is 6, this is 9, this is 1, 0, 0, this is 8. 8 plus 8 is now 16. 196. 19600. This will go by 19600, right? 19600, then it will go by
9s are.
9 only, it will go by 9. It will go by 9. So 1969 9s are 81, 8 carry 54 plus 8 62, 6 carry 81, 87, 8 carry 17792. 1772. This is 9. 9 minus 2 7.
7.
8, this
8,
0,
1, yeah.
18,
So again, 9s, I think.
again 9. So
9s.
9.9, 9.899. So whatever 9.899, and they want 9.899 multiply with 4. So that is 36, 3 carry, 36, 39, 3 carry, 32, 35, 3 carry, 9 for the 36, 39, 39.596. So they want the answer till 2 place of decimal. So 39.4.
Yes, sir.
39.6, no? 39.60.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So 40 square meter.
So lawn 10 meter by 8,
So yes, sir.
surrounded by one path. This would be 12 and this would be 10.
Yes, sir.
Path
So first we
120
find the
minus
area
80.
of both of them. 80 and 120.
40
So
you'll get.
120 minus, yes, sir. 40 meters square.
So the area, this path you want, that is the area of the outer square
120 minus 80.
minus the area of inner rectangle.
80.
That will be 40.
40.
Area of shaded portion, I can say that is equal to area of ABCD,
Yes, sir.
the area of EFGH minus this common area. I hope you have PQRS. Because if you add this ABCD and EFGH, PQRS will get double. So the area of PQRS. I hope you understand. So, so here BC is 35 and AB is given to you 5. AB is given to you 5. So ABCD area will be how much? 175. 175.
175. Yes, sir.
EFGH कितना हो जाएगा? This is
50 into 5.
150.
250
into 5 कितना होता है?
250.
50 into 5, 250 ना?
Yes, sir.
Then minus this 5 into 5, 25.
25. Yes, sir. So it will be
12,
425 minus 25, 400.
400 meters.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula of area of 4 walls of room?
So that's LSA.
No, area of 4 walls of room. Formula is 2HL plus B. What do you call lateral surface area? If you call this a lateral surface area.
Yeah, lateral surface area, sir.
2 into 3 and 7 plus 5, 12.
So 2HL plus B, yes, sir.
72 meters square, you get the area of 4 walls.
Yes, sir, 72 meters square. And then the cost will be 3.15 into 72.
3.15, 315 by 100 into 7.
So 226.8,
63
I
by
think.
20. So 63 by 20 matlab 7
So
4 za 72, 18 5 za. So then you can write 18 6 za 54, 18 6 za 108.
So 226.8.
4 by 1134 by 5. 5 za 6 za. Divide by
So 2 za
2 za
226.8.
2 za, then 6 za 0.8. 226.8.
Yes, sir. Or first we'll find the area that's needed to be covered by the paper, wallpaper. So that will be 49 meters square.
What you found? 49 meters square.
Find area that the area that's needed to be covered by the wallpaper.
Area of 4 walls of room, is it?
Yes, sir. So the total area of 4 walls will
2
be
into
60.
3 is 6. 6 plus 10. 6 into 10, 60. Area
60, yes, sir.
60, I guess.
So we have to exclude
Minus
the
11.
wall, right?
Minus 11. 11 square.
Yes, sir. 49 meters square.
So 49 meters square you get. How we get 49? That is 60 meters square.
60 minus 11 meters square.
They have given 11 meters square. I need to
For doors, we have to exclude the doors.
And 60 how we get? By using the formula 2H into L plus B.
L plus B. Yes, sir. Then we have to find the area of the wallpaper.
Paper. So paper is 2400 centimeters square. Take a look into.
So meter will be 0.24 meters square, I think.
Yeah. So these units are very important. So 1 meter square is equal to 10 to the power 4.
4.
So is 0.24 meters square. This is the
yes, sir.
paper. And the area of room which need to papered is 49 meters square. Okay, then what I'll do?
So the number of we have to find the number of pieces of the wallpaper. I think we can divide 49 divided by 0.24, right?
So what is this 1.4 rupees per piece?
So first you have to find the number of pieces of wallpaper.
Okay, means area they're actually giving. So they are given that one paper piece area of paper is 1.4 rupees.
Yes, sir. First we have to find the number of pieces, right? Yeah. 49 divided by
49 divided by 0.24 into 1.4.
1.4, yes, sir.
This is our answer. So 49 divided by 49 divided by 0.24 into, so per piece cost is 1.4 rupees. I want the cost, so I'll multiply this with 1.4. 49 by 24 into 100.
Into 100.
14 by 10. 10 I can cancel. So this.
So 287.
287. This is 7. This is 12. 9 sevens are 63. 6 carry 28 plus 6 343 by 2. So then Uza is 24 103 8 what you are getting?
287.
Then I'm missing some zero. This is 2 zeros, 1.4. I wrote 0 divided. So 0 is there. So 1 minute. This is 7 za. This is 7 za. This is 12 za. So so 14. This is 0. 0 is there. So if I divide by 12, so this is 2 za of 24. 24, 103. 103 means 96. 103 minus 96 means almost 70. 70 means 5 za. 70 means 5 za. 100. 100 means 8 za. 40. 40 means 3 za. And this like 285.833, correct?
Yes, sir.
What value you got?
One second, I'm checking it again, sir.
So this is 59 by 24 into 100 into 14 by 10. So 0, 0.
So I got 287 rupees.
287. 1 minute. This is 7 za. This is 12. 49 7 za is how much? 9 7 za 63, 6 carry. So 28 plus 6 is 34. 3430 by 12. So if you want, so you can write this as 1715 by 6. So this is 2 za 12, 51. 51 means 8 za. 35. 35 means 5 za. 35 means 5 za. 35 means 5 za. And this only you should get. How you getting? This we got right. 49. This is correct, no? 49 meters square.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
49 meters square is correct. Then we found the number of paper what you require. So where one area, one piece of paper is 1.4 rupees. So we found the area of paper. That is 49 by 0.24. And if you multiply.
So we have to find the number of pieces of wallpaper, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The cost we have to find later.
Wallpaper.
So I don't think we should multiply 1.4 there.
No, you need to find cost, not Dhwani.
First, so to find the cost, it says the cost of paper is 1.40 per piece. Correct, and we don't know how many pieces are there. To find the pieces,
so for that we divided 49 by 0.24, correct?
Yes, sir, but you haven't done that. You've just multiplied 49 divided by 0.24 into 1.4.
So Dhwani, that doesn't matter. No?
But sir, but if I divide 49 divided by 0.24, I just get 204.17, which I round it off because
no, because
you need a whole piece.
You make a different value. See, Dhwani, you divide and all. If you have to do A divided by B into C. So if you do A into C and then AC by B, or if you do A by B and then multiply by C, your answer will not change. These values are changing because rounding off. Are you getting me? You rounded 4 and then you multiplied. I have not.
Yes, sir. I changed it to 0. It was 204.17. Since it should be a whole piece, then I rounded out to 205.
Whole number of pieces to be bought. Yeah, so maybe there the differences are coming. So
yes, sir. So that when you do, you get 205. So when you multiply 205 into 1.40, you get 287.
Yeah. So there you are getting difference. So I was doing directly. So you will get per piece. So how will you get the number of piece? Number of piece would be 49 divided by 0.24. So you need whole number of pieces. So you rounded there, and how much you got?
Sir, I got 204.17. So I rounded up to 205.
Okay, so you rounded up, so you got 14205 piece, and one piece cost is 1.5 rupees. So your total cost will be 1.4 into 204. Correct. And how much you got?
287.
287 rupees. That is it.
Yes, sir.
Well,
49 meter square.
39 getting.
49, sir.
How you get 49?
So it's a cuboid.
Yeah.
So the length will be
It's
6
a
meter.
keyword, yeah. So length is
Width is 4 meter and the height is 1.25 meter. So we have to we have to find the surface area of the this thing, right?
yeah. So this would
So
be 4. This would,
so the surface area of the 4 walls and the bottom surface area of the walls will be 6 into 1.25 plus 6 into 1.25 plus 4 into 1.25 plus 4 into 1.25, which is 25 meter square. So the surface area of the bottom will be 6 into 4, 24 meter square. So the total surface area of the wet, this thing will be 25 plus 24, 49 meter square.
yeah. So here, so the height I'll take 1.25 and except the roof, LB I'm considering all. So here your length is how much? Your length is 6.
6 meter.
Your length is 6. Breadth is 4.
4.
It is 1.25 meter. And the area what you will consider will be LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. Correct? So
Yes, sir.
except roof, you are not, except roof.
So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
Yeah. So this is 24 and this is 2HL plus B. So this is 24 plus 2 into H is 1.25 into L plus B, that is 10. This is 24, this is 2.5, this is 25. Correct? Except roof will include remaining all. 26. Perimeter, I simply add this is 5, this is 5, 5, 10, then 12, 12, 14, 14 I did. This is 17. Then 17 plus 6, 23.
So that will be 10. The
Plus
below
3,
part will be 10.
23 plus 3, 26. And this is what? This is 10. 36. Perimeter would be 36. Perimeter would be 36 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Area, I just draw this imaginary diagram.
Sir, you can draw imaginary lines and make it into rectangle.
Yeah. So if I deduct this area from the complete area, so this is 10 and this is 5. So this total will be 50 minus this is 6 and this is 3. 3 na? 6, this
Yes,
is
sir.
3, 18. So if you subtract 18, you get 32 centimeters square. That would be your area.
Yes, sir.
This Dhoni, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So I just found that this total, this is anyways given to us. I found this total length. This is 4 1 by 4 means 4.25 and this is given 2.35. This is 2.75. So I got this total length as 7. So I found the complete area as 84 minus I subtracted this 8. This and this. Any doubt on 27, 28?
No, sir.
Square 256, we're making 11 dusters. Total area of duster 256 into 11. So how will you multiply any number by 11? 2, 8, 7 आता है 8, 11, 2816 I think you did. The total area was how much? 84 into 36 minus.
Yes, sir.
So 84 into 36 minus 2816. 84 into 36. I can write 12 into 3. 12 होगा 144 into 21. 144 तो 12 8 10 3024 minus 2816. 80 आएगा 208 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर बचे. ये आया दोनों समझ में?
Yes, sir.
84 into 36 मुझे लगा कॉम्प्लिकेट हो सकता है. मुझे ये लग रहा है 84 तो 12 के टेबल में आता है, 30 में 12 के टेबल में आता है, तो उसको 12 into 7 into 12 into 3 कर दिया. 12 का स्क्वायर पता है 144, 7 और 3 into 21, 144 21 करना तो आता है. यहाँ पे होल नंबर चाहिए था अपने को, क्योंकि 189 तो जाएगा नहीं, 60 176 आता है. जो टेस्टर है तो 16 into 16 का है, कुछ पार्ट तो बच जाए, तो ये भी आपने करना था. 15 कैसे करेंगे? Floor which measures 15 meter into 8 meter is to laid with tiles. ठीक है, देखना यूनिट ध्यान देना, 1 मीटर में सेंटीमीटर में. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स रिक्वायर्ड, तो निकल जाएगा एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर डिवाइड बाय एरिया ऑफ टाइल. 15 8 जा कितना होता है 128 होता है. मीटर को सेंटीमीटर कन्वर्ट करना आसान है, 10,000 कर दो तो इससे आपको एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर मिल जाएगा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में. अब एरिया ऑफ टाइल कितना होगा 50 into 25. अच्छा, क्या मैं 50 को 100/2 लिख दूं, 25 को 100/4 लिख दूं, इसको 100/2, इसको 100/4 लिख दूं, कैलकुलेशन आसान हो जाएगा. नंबर ऑफ टाइल आ जाएगा 120 into 8, 960 टाइल्स. यार number of tiles required is 960.
So 1 second, I'm doing it. Yes, sir, I got it.
फिर क्या लिखा है further, if the carpet is to laid on a floor so that the space of 1 meter exit between the edges of the floor. तो 1 मीटर का गैप दे रहे हो आप. कारपेट कितने में बिछाओगे आप? 13 into 6 में बिछाओगे. आप समझ पा रहे हो? 1 मीटर गैप दे रहे हो आप दोनों साइड.
Yes, sir.
कारपेट आपका बिछेगा 13 into 6 मतलब 78 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया में कारपेट बिछेगा, जबकि टोटल एरिया था 120 मीटर स्क्वायर. What fraction of floor is uncovered? So what fraction of floor is uncovered? That would be 78 by 120. Uncovered बोल रहा है, covered uncovered ना, बचा हुआ पूछ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
होगा 42. 42 by 120. 42 by 120 क्या होता है? 3 के टेबल में जाता है 21 by 60 लिख दूं. इसको क्या मैं 7 by 30 लिख दूं. 7 by 20. 30. 7 by 20. How much part is uncovered? What fraction of floor is uncovered? That will be 7 by 20.
Yes, sir.
इतने क्वेश्चन. आई होप आपको मजा आया होगा, आपको समझ में आया होगा.
Yes, sir.
Then I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.